So thanks to the brand for gifting me this product in exchange for my honest review. I want to say that if you're ready to go all in with the Beard Club because you love their products and the results you get from their products, this is the ultimate thing that you can purchase from them. There's so much stuff in here, it's ridiculous. You literally have no excuse not to be able to say that you're growing your beard and being able to groom your beard now. This is could be for you if you want to go all in. Like I said, you love their products and you take your beard seriously, or a great gift for a guy who's trying to do the same thing, grow their beard and take their beard seriously. You can gift them this, and they're gonna just be like overwhelmed with joy because you have literally everything you need. I'm just gonna start off with just some of the grooming tools. So you're gonna get your mustache comb. All right. And you're gonna also get your beard comb itself. And these are like not little cheap little things either. This is like solid wood. You can really like feel that. Then you're gonna get your beard scissors so you can do your trimming if you want to do it that way as well. You're also gonna get the straight razor also with the blade itself so you can line it up as well. And you're gonna get the mustache comb. This is great for when you're applying some of the chemicals in it, or if it's just a little scraggly, you can use the comb to brush it around. And there was a lot of confetti stuff in here. I went on here and took that out, but let me just break down some of the stuff. So this is the beard growth balm right here. And you get a nice, generous serving of this, you guys. I'm just going to go side by side. And this is going to be the Beard and Scruff Cream. If you can see that. And all these things are big. This is 2 fluid ounces. Okay. So then you got this right here is going to be the beard growth oil. Lots of that. And I've been using this. This works great if you're trying to keep your beard growing and growing right, or if you're just getting started. Let me see here. There's something that's deep down in here. Oh yeah, the cleansing spray. You got that in here. Definitely need that. I'm gonna sit that to the side. And then you got some more beard balm, and it comes in 2 flavors in this pack. You got sandalwood, and then you got cedar. You can see those right there. Nice. Nice come up on this stuff. All right, we're gonna go down here. We got the growth vitamin spray. Lots of it. This is really big. I wish you could see. It's about the size of my hand, the palm of my hand at least. So you're getting a lot of it. They're not being stingy with the chemicals and the items. This is going to be the thickening and leave-in beard conditioner. So beautiful. Big bottle. Big bottle. And they even got beard growth vitamins. Crazy, right? Like I said, if you take your beard seriously, this is what you want. They're literally making sure you have everything you need to be successful in your beard journey. And always the beard shampoo. Nice. Big bottle. This almost goes from the top of the box. And then finally, definitely not least, you got the Beard Club Derma Roller. All right. Everything you need is in this box. Great gift or a gift for yourself if you're really serious about your beer. As you guys know, this is endorsed by James Harden. If you know, you know. All right, so that right there goes without saying that you know that you're getting something good. I highly recommend this product, and I'll see you guys in the next one.